Man, look at that paint. It's just a little bit off the top, that's the clear coat, but man, that thing is beautiful. Nah, no way. There's literally no rust under here. No rust at all. This thing is in beautiful, beautiful conditions. Oh my God. You wanna see how it starts? Oh my God, no, look at this. Look at that. Actually, I'm being so serious. Look at this interior. Wow. This is garage kept. Honestly, this is really garage kept. This is not, wow, this is crazy. There's no way. This is beautiful. Everything about the seats are so clean. It's not even dirty. They didn't look like they detailed them or anything either. Like, all the plastics, everything. The headliner is super clean. And it even has a sunroof. Hold on. I did not see the sunroof. We also got a sunroof in here, guys. Oh, look how big it is too. So imagine driving back in 1992 with this beautiful car, straight out of the factory. This is really comfortable, and it's so high up the screen. All right, let's see if it actually cranks on now. Everything too. It's been a few, like 33 years already that this car has been made. 32 years. Wow, no, I ain't gonna lie, this is crazy. That car cranked on so fast, it didn't even take a few seconds, not even 5 seconds. It's just straight on. The clock works, everything in here still works. So in the voltage and everything, oil pressure. Let's see. No way. It even has the factory manuals. Well, we're gonna leave this out because this is personal stuff. Look, Toyota 1992 4Runner manuals. You do not find this nowadays. You do not find this. That's actually insane. Dealer stuff, owner's guide. That's insane. Operation instructions. This car was really maintained really good. Whoever was the last owner of it, they did their job. In Spanish, how we say, esto no le falta nada. Nada. Está nuevo. Every detail from the smallest things, even though it needs just a clear coat on the top, all the trims are polished. They're not rusty. There's no rust on the undercarriage. The wheels are really good. Everything about this truck is amazing, honestly. Hasn't aged a bit, not even a day. Wow, no rust at all. So let's go see the hood now. Let's see what's under that hood. Wow. No, honestly, this whole engine bay is so clean and well maintained, it's not even funny. The last owner of this car really took really good care of it. All right, so surprisingly enough, this car is from 1992. What I don't understand is why it's here though. Let's be honest, it's a beautiful car. There's nothing wrong with it at all. If I could buy it, I would. So let's check inside and see if it's something with the engine or with the transmission. Man, I would love to ride in one of these nowadays. So much comfort. All right, so let's crank it on and see if the motor has any issues, and then we're gonna put it in drive and reverse to see if it does anything, to see if that's the reason why it's probably here, because the car is, there's nothing on this car that's bad, honestly. Let's be honest. It cranks right on. It doesn't hesitate. It sounds like it has the power that it does need. So now that guides me to think that maybe the transmission is bad, because 245,000 miles, you might need a transmission rebuild or a change. But let's accelerate and see if the engine fluctuates or acts any type of way. Man, that thing, oh my God, that thing feels good. All right, dang. Back for this day age car, it has a digital screen right at the bottom saying all the words. It's not even like a regular screen how old cars would have, or just a light that shines through the words. No, this is actually like a screen right at the bottom of the cluster, which is insane. Let's put it in drive. Oh, well, it's not going in gear. It might just be completely disconnected. Wow. If I'm being honest, maybe it could be just the slightest thing. Maybe the shifter assembly got messed up and the car can't go into driver park, but from what I can tell right now, it's not going forward or back. It does accelerate, everything else fine, so it probably is something with the transmission that is not letting it go out of gear, and the clicking that it's doing is not Doesn't feel like it has any resistance in it. But yeah. So now we know what the problem is. Unfortunately, it's not the motor, thank God. But unfortunately, it is the transmission. It's not going into drive or reverse. It's not doing anything. So that's probably why the car is here. Because everything on this car is brand new. Honestly, everything. Look at the trims. Everything on this car is. So on the VIN, this car was made on May 1992. Tell me what car that you know that is out there has all the words on the buttons and on the trims. The silver trims on the side are still intact. They're not worn down. They're not sun damaged. Nothing at all. The interior is still blue. The leather's still blue in great conditions. Super, super clean. I cannot stress this enough. This thing is beautiful. So, like, looking at the whole car and the aspect of it, 245,000 miles. And if I'm being honest with you, I'm surprised that it still has factory rims. I doubt that they're anything else because everything on this car is completely factory. OE. There's no replacing, no aftermarket stuff. This car was maintained and kept at its age. Super clean. No rust, no rust. I would love to buy this car. Unfortunately, I can't, but I would love to buy this car. The thing is amazing. And to this day, people are looking for parts and they can't really find them. But honestly, like, you guys come with us and you guys come look at our yards. We have that stuff that you guys are looking for, including these cars. This car will soon be on the lot. If you guys do need parts for it, come around and come look at Central Florida Pick and Pay, where we get all the best new cars and old cars.